Thanks for hanging with me. I'm Mr. Herman. Welcome to the Nibble on 3D printed kite parts. Today's lesson is all about bringing your creativity and engineering skills together. You'll be designing a custom 3D printed piece of your kite. Let's get to it and make today count. By the end of this nibble, you should be able to understand how to design a simple 3D part for your kite. Apply your Tinkercad skills to create a functional design and evaluate whether your part is actually printable and useful. So what kind of kite parts could you 3D print? Well, you might try creating a small reinforcement bracket for your kite frame, a loop or hook to tie the string through, or maybe a lightweight clip to attach a tail or ribbon. The sky's the limit. Just remember, it has to serve a real purpose. Here are your requirements. Your design must fit inside 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter dimensions. That's the size of our 3D printer bed. It has to be lightweight for flight stability, and it has to have a purpose. You have to have a function for it. If you're unsure whether your idea will work, talk it out with a classmate or ask me. So here are some design tips for you to think about so we can be successful on this. Use the align and group tools to keep things balanced and neat. Test your design's thickness. Too thin and it might snap. Avoid spiky or overly fragile shapes. Remember, this is going on a flying kite. Once you've finished your design, you'll need to export it as an STL file. Tinkercad makes this super easy. Check your measurements one more time and submit it to Google Classroom with your name and a short note about what it's for. This helps me understand what you're building before I send it to the printer. So, what makes a good kite part? It should be simple, lightweight, and do the job it's meant to do. Be sure your part is the right size and symmetrical if needed. And if it helps your kite fly better or makes it look cooler, even better. So let's get started. Your mastery check for this lesson is to complete your design and submit it for review. You have 2 class periods to get this done, so pace yourself. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback along the way. I'm here to help. Until then, stay curious, stay focused, and as always, make today count.